Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you people are doing great today. So guys, for my today's video, I have done this beautiful party kind of glam look for all you people, and this has been created by using all the new makeup products that I have lately bought. And since a lot of you people wanted to see how they actually fare out on the skin of an Indian skin tone, which is why I decided to do this tutorial for you people. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching this video. Okay guys, so before I start off with my makeup and this tutorial, I'm just gonna tell you guys that this is a very impulsive makeup tutorial, and that is how the real Shubheksha Singh is. I do not plan my makeup looks. It just happens very instinctively. I just keep on picking up shades that I like from a certain palette. Guys, before I start off with this tutorial, I just want to take 1 minute of your precious time, and I want to say this to my audience that I genuinely appreciate each one of you and the people who take out time to write those sweet comments under my videos and always engage and even come on Instagram and appreciate me for my videos. It genuinely overwhelms me and it makes me so content. Like, I cannot express it in words exactly, but it means so much to me and it really motivates me to keep on making video for you people. But guys, I am genuinely sorry for missing onto my uploads alternately because I was so demotivated. I'm like seriously pouring my heart out here, and I was very demotivated to make any content for YouTube because I haven't been getting too many subscribers. The rate isn't increasing. The engagement rate is so low, I feel, on some videos and so high on some, that whenever I get a very nice response from my subscribers and other followers also, and people who are watching my video and explore, it actually motivates me, pushes me to get up from my bed and make content. Now that I have been having too much work overload on me because of being affiliated with brands and making content for them, I feel that is something that keeps me motivated because people are watching that and appreciating my efforts. But on YouTube, I feel that if each one of you even shares my video with at least 5 of your circle, it would really mean a lot to me, and I believe that it would really increase the engagement rate and would make me feel very happy genuinely, and I would be pushed to make content for you people because like YouTube videos are very hard, guys. I'm sorry for my rant, but I just want to say this out loud for you people to understand why I've been so demotivated to make YouTube. It takes 2 hours to shoot a video, to just put your camera, to settle down every equipment that you want, and to lay down the whole script as to what you want to make for your YouTube video, and especially to edit that video. It generally takes around 4 to 5 hours, especially on like advanced editing softwares like Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, which I have started using now. I really want my videos to be appealing to my audience, and they should be able to see that I'm pouring my heart out on the work that I'm doing for you guys. And it really demotivates me sometimes, which is why I had been missing on to uploads, and I generally did not have the urge to get up and make content because like getting 100 and 200 views on something that I've worked so hard on was really upsetting. So guys, now without any further ado, and I know you guys want to watch the tutorial, so I'm just gonna get down into this tutorial now. To start off with my tutorial, guys, I'm gonna do my eyes and brows first because this palette has a lot of fallout, and then move on to the base. So I'm just gonna fill in naturally my brows because I do not like too solid brows on the face, and also just putting a concealer on my eyelids for the eye color to pop out. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette and use the topmost shade, which is the orange cool tone shade, as a transition shade, and then apply the maroonish mauve shade as an outer corner shade. And then I'm going to use this glitter shadow as an cut crease, and this is how amazing it looks. I was literally shook after the application. Now I'm going to remove any fallouts using a wet wipe very gently on my face, and then just fill it in, and then gonna make my classic wing liner using this amazing epic ink liner from NYX, which has very nice pigmentation and stays very well on my eyelids. This is how my eyes look. And now we are quickly gonna fill in my lower lash line with the same color, with the maroonish shade. And then I'm gonna put this mascara, which is very good for lengthening your lashes, and this is new to me and I absolutely love the application. So this is how my eyes look. Now we are going to move on to the base, and for the first step I'm going to just prep my skin using this Moisture Surge moisturizer from Clinique. It makes my skin glow so well. And then going to wait for 2 minutes before my foundation, which is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. You will see I just always move into segments. First I do my first half of the face and then move on to the second. You guys can see the glow on both the sides after the prepping of my skin is done. And this is how the foundation application looks on my face. Moving on to the concealer, which is natural beige. This highlights and just fills in my shadows so well on my face. These are the areas where I generally apply my concealer, which I've showed multiple times in my tutorials, and I always take my time to do my concealer well. Moving on to powder, which is from MAC. This is my favorite compact powder and it is very finely milled. I just apply it on all the areas where I had my concealer, and then I'm just going to use this bronzer from Physicians Formula, which gives a very nice sun-kissed look. Even apply it on my chin for that chiseled look. Moving on to my blush now, which is the shade Sweet Pea, and I absolutely love the rose tone. Becca Champagne Pop is one of my favorite highlighters. This is a new shade that I've just got my hands on, which is called Jealousy, and I absolutely love it. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful for you people to decide on to what products you should invest in. Also guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and do comment guys, it means a lot to me. And please share my video if you loved it, and also do tag me if you try this tutorial. It would be very overwhelming for me. Also guys, I will see you in my next video on Monday, and I hope you guys are staying safe. So be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe guys. Bye guys.